Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, November 12th, and today we are going to be making picture graphs. Now, the first thing that we have to find out is how do I make and read graphs? So we're going to do a quick check on this first one here, and this is one might be a little tricky, but we're going to take a look here. Now, it says Joe, Lily, and Maria each saw a different animal at the zoo. The animals are a bird, a bear, and a shark. Okay, so I know I have those three animals. Joe's animal has 0 legs. Lily's animal has 4 legs, and Maria's animal has 2 legs. So what we need to do here is put all of our information that we know into the chart on the bottom. So it says that Joe's animal had 0 legs, so we're going to go put a 0 in the number of legs. Lily's animal had 4 legs, so we're going to put a 4 right here. Or we could do 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Maria's animal had 2 legs. So we can put a 2 and then also 2 tally marks. Now we have to figure out which animal is which. So the animals are a bird, a bear, and a shark. How many legs does a bird have? Exactly, it has 2, so we're going to put it right down here at the bottom. So this is going to be bird. Lily had an animal that has 4 legs. Would that be a bear or would that be a shark? Right, that would be a bear. Because if that was a shark, I think that'd be a little terrifying. I don't know if I'd ever want to see a shark with legs. And then last one, Joe had 0 legs. So that means that one definitely has to be the shark. Now, it's asking us on the bottom, who saw the shark? So we're going to look back up at our chart and see that Joe saw the shark on that one. So our chart is done. The next one that we have here, boys and girls, is we're going to be using a picture graph to answer the questions. Now we need to take a look up here. This one is a chart about favorite balloon color. So by looking at these, I can see that one balloon equals one person voting for their favorite balloon color. So I can see that each part right here has their own spot. I'm also noticing that whenever they do a vote, they're always starting on this side here and then moving up, going that way. And that's a good way to keep everything nice and organized so you can tell which one has more. So on the bottom here, our question is how many people voted for a red balloon? So all I have to do is go up top here, find red, and circle or count how many balloons they had. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 6 people that voted for the red balloon. For this one here, boys and girls, we might have to do a little extra work because we're making a tally chart, counting the totals, and then using those to make a picture graph here on the bottom. So, complete the tally chart and the picture graph. You're going to write the totals in the tally chart right over here. So the first thing that we have to do, boys and girls, is put all the totals on this side right there. So let's take a look at the triangle. Now, when we look at these tally marks, boys and girls, Mr. Cook has taught my kids a little rhyme to understand when to close in a tally mark. And that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door. So automatically I can see one group that's already closed in, so I know that that's going to be 5. If I look down at the circle, I can see that that's going to be 1. And if I look down at the square, I know that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a chart down here on the bottom using pictures. So take a look down here because we're going to have to draw all the pictures in here, but they have to go along with the stuff that's up top. So what we're going to do right now, boys and girls, is we're going to start with the triangle. How many triangles did my people pick for their favorite shape? And if I look back up top for the triangle, I'm going to see that there's 5. So we're going to put 5 triangles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice how I always start on that side right there, or the one closest to what we're talking about. The next one we have is a circle, boys and girls, and we need to do 1. So we're going to do 1 circle. And then the last one, we have a square, which would be 3 of them. So we need to draw 3 squares. So 1, 2, 3. And there's your picture graph. Now the last thing that we do, boys and girls, is just a quick check, but students at home, you're going to be working on pages 521 to 524 and possibly 525 to 526, depending on if you want to do some more. So right now, in class, you guys can work on this one here, or at home, you can work on this one as well. So take a minute, figure that one out, and have a great day, boys and girls.